Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to fix could not create the Java virtual machine error. So you will learn a fixes so that you can eliminate this error, starting with the most common fix, the less likely solution. Please keep watch on this video. I'll explain the step by step process. For the first method, make sure Java is installed correctly. Before you can troubleshoot any Java errors, you will need to ensure that you have installed Java correctly. Do this, open the command prompt by selecting the start menu, typing a command and selecting a command prompt tab. In this command prompt window, type Java version and press enter. If Java is installed correctly, you should see the version of Java, the SE runtime environment and client VM build. If you don't have the latest version, you will want to make sure install it. If this looks good, you are ready to move on the next troubleshooting step. Next step is expand available system memory for Java. The most common cause for the could not create the Java virtual machine error is that the Java does not have enough available memory on your system to launch the VM client. Java is initially set up by default to use an initial and maximum heap size. So if you are running any application that goes behind the maximum size, it will trigger an error. You can adjust this by changing the amount of system memory Java can use on your system. For this first step is select the start menu and type environmental variables. Select edit the system environment variables. In the system properties window, select environment variables. Under the system variables pane, select new. Set the variable names /java/options and set the variable value as a xmx512m. After that, select OK and then select OK again. This adjusts the allowable memory for Java to 512 MB. The setting change takes effect immediately. So relaunch your Java app and see if the error still appears. If does, repeat the process above but increase the memory to 1024 MB by setting the value to instead. Now next step I am going to explain, that is called run Java as an administrator. Sometimes virtual machine error can be caused by the lack of appropriate admin rights on your Windows PC. To see if this is the issue, set up the Java app on your PC to run as the system administrator. For this, first step is select the start button and type Java. Select the right arrow next to it and select open file location. Right click the Java executable file and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and enable the run the program as the administrator checkbox. Select OK. Now the next time Java runs, it will have full administrator rights. Here I will explain uninstall and reinstall Java. Finally, if all else had failed, you may just have faulty installation of Java. Select the start menu and type add or remove programs and select add or remove program system settings. In absent features, scroll down to Java, select it and select uninstall. Select yes to confirm, and once Java is fully uninstalled, restart Windows. Download the latest version of Java for your system. Make sure you choose 32-bit if your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. Your PC is 64-bit. If you are not sure which system you have, make sure to check your system type first. Double click the installation file after downloading. Select the install button to launch the Java installation process. Walk through the rest of wizard, and once the Java installation is complete, restart your Windows system. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful. It's really helpful. Please like this video and share this video, and please comment below. Please subscribe my channel.